Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can get more views on TikTok. Now, I'm going to read you through an article showing you and giving you the tips that you need to follow in order to boost your view count on TikTok. So, let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So, the first thing that you need to keep in mind is that you must crush it with the completion rate. If you learn one thing from this article, it should be that the completion rate is the most important factor in the TikTok algorithm. You should focus on making videos that people watch till the end. Even better, getting people to watch your video multiple times can be crucial. It's simple, the longer someone watches your video, the more people TikTok will show it to. It's one of the keys to getting on more people's For You page. That means if you want people to watch your entire video, the key is to hook them in the first 1 to 3 seconds of the video to keep them engaged until the ending. Now, the second tip is that you need to maximize your engagement metrics, likes, comments, and shares. After completion rate percentage, all of the engagement metrics on your TikTok videos are vital to feeding the algorithm. This is likes, comments, shares, and downloads. It also includes visits to your profile and follows up your account. Once your video is posted, TikTok will show your video to an initial group of your followers. If the initial group has a high completion rate and engagement metrics, TikTok will continue to show it to more people. If the performance is strong enough with these initial groups, TikTok will start putting you on users For You page. When performance continues to be high up, TikTok will keep showing your video to more and more people, and this is when you go viral. Now, these are some strategies to increasing your completion rate and engagement, likes, comment, and shares. Now, the first one is engaging the user in the first couple of seconds. Ask a question in your description, overlay captions, use curiosity, suspense, or confusion. Overlay captions so that capture attention, for example, wait for it. Be visually pleasing, good lighting, nice scenery. Tell a story they want to see until the end. Give value, tutorial receipts, health and fitness routines. Have the video appear to loop. The end goes seamlessly back into the beginning. So basically they are tricked into watching it till the end and maybe even a second time without realizing it. Have a strong profile picture and bio. Post daily to engage your audience. Create a series of content, part 1, part 2, part 3. Now, as a viewer, these parts are very annoying, but when you are making videos, they can help you a lot to grow in your view count. Collaborate with other TikTokers and encourage duets. Share your videos to other social accounts. Use transitions and transformations. Target your video to a relevant audience with hashtags. Now, another tip is to use hashtag to target the best audience. It's crucial that you understand how to use hashtag to get more views on TikTok. They are your opportunity to target the perfect audience and jump onto trending topics. Now, how you can use the trending topics is by going over to Discover, pick a trending hashtag, and add it to your video description. Now, a summary of what I've just told you. The algorithm may be very advanced, but the basics are simple. First and foremost, focus on getting a high completion rate and generate multiple views on videos. Use a few of the tips above to maximize your engagement metrics, likes, comments, shares, and downloads. The good news is that anyone can become big on TikTok. You just need to be a little strategic, embrace your individuality, and have fun with it. Even the biggest TikTok stars have had videos that flop. Don't let this discourage you. Like everything else, TikTok takes practice. What works for someone else might not work for you. The trial and error be your friend on the path to TikTok success. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. These are a few simple tips that you should follow in order to boost your view count on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.